Hey folks, as you may or may not know, we've entered what I call the golden age of stupid and ridiculous lawsuits. Now, stupid and ridiculous lawsuits have probably been going on since the dawn of time. I wouldn't be surprised if you looked at cave paintings, like, caveman days. And saw cave paintings of stupid lawsuits and whatnot. Now, I thought, you know what? Why don't I have fun and get in on the act of stupid lawsuits? Now, of course, this lawsuit may or may not fly. But let's, throw it in bed with Madonna and see if she sleeps with it. Okay, so the other day I was out and about picking up prescriptions, running errands, doing business and whatnot. And it was about 98 degrees. Or 92 and it felt like 100, something like that. So all day I'm sweating my fucking balls off. So I thought, you know what? Why don't I sue Mother Nature? Because it was hot and I was sweating my balls off all day and I kept having to drink water. Hydration. Now you figure, how are you going to win this case? Well, Mother Nature would be the defendant. And, yeah, I think she'd be the defendant. See, I don't even have all my bullshit in order. But, not sure if Mother Nature actually exists or not. So she may or may not show up. So if Mother Nature doesn't show up, I win the case. Because the defendant didn't show up. So there you go, folks. If you really want to do a stupid lawsuit and win, just go out on a hot day and sue Mother Nature. Now, of course, I'm kidding. Don't really go do this, because I know, there are some simple-minded dumb fucks out there that'll go do this. There will be a smart lawyer that will file this case, because they'll probably get some money off your dumb ass. But I don't think this is an open and shut case. It's a stupid case. Made up by a stupid man smart enough to realize it's stupid.